We're tracking the big story coming in this morning from the national capital. It's the Aam Aadmi Party's bluff that has been called out by the Delhi departments. This is regarding the schemes that were announced by Arvind Kejriwal for the women voters in the national capital. Now, this is a statement coming in from the welfare department as well as the health department in Delhi, clarifying that there has been no schemes till now by the Delhi government for which Arvind Kejriwal has announced that women voters can avail the benefits. Now, this is a scheme that was announced by Arvind Kejriwal a few days ago. The two schemes that were announced are the Mahila Samman and the Sanjeevani schemes. Delhi departments that have now fact-checked the Aam Aadmi Party, stating that neither of these schemes has been notified by the Delhi government so far. Let's go across to Soumya joining us on the broadcast. Soumya, that's definitely a bluff of the Aam Aadmi Party government that has been called out by the Delhi departments. First up, talk to us about the promises that were made by Arvind Kejriwal, one, while he announced those two schemes, and also the statement coming in by the two Delhi departments.
Yes, well, Samiksha, see, the two schemes concerned here are Mahila Samman Yojana and Sanjeevani Yojana. In Mahila Samman Yojana, the Delhi government, the party, the Aam Aadmi Party has promised that they will be giving 2,100 rupees to women. However, if we talk about the Sanjeevani Yojana, they have promised that the medical treatments of people above 60 years will be completely free. However, now we have a circular doing the rounds by both the departments, the health department and women and child welfare department, seeing that there is no existence of any of these two schemes on ground. An important point to note here is that yesterday and during an event which was organized inside the LG house, the health secretary himself had clarified when he was asked by one of the senior citizens present there to shed more light on this particular scheme. If we talk about the Sanjeevani Yojana, he had clarified that there is no such existence of any scheme named Sanjeevani Yojana by Delhi government that is being announced by the Delhi government as of now, and they have requested people not to share their personal data as it could be a possible scam. So these are the questions that are being raised by both the departments in are concerned in these two schemes. With that, the BJP has also sharpened its attack.
That's exactly what I was coming to. You know, that's another news break that we are tracking. It's the BJP that has escalated attack on the Aam Aadmi Party, calling out the bluff of Arvind Kejriwal. In fact, the statement coming in from Kapil Mishra of the BJP, who says, and I quote, what a big fraud Kejriwal is doing with the sisters of Delhi. Further saying that on one side, Kejriwal is getting women to fill the forms. On the other side, see the notice of Delhi government in today's newspapers. The statement further says that the Delhi government itself is advertising that there is no such scheme and these forms are nothing but fake. So the BJP leaders calling out the hypocrisy of the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that Kejriwal is a fraud for cheating the people of the national capital, and ironical in many ways, given that the registration drive under these schemes has already begun in the national capital.